मैं आपको एक फ़र्क बता दूं जो काफ़ी लोगों को नहीं पता होता।
Okay.
आप जो नॉर्मली ऑलिव्स लेते हैं मार्केट में, those are very small
Very
in
small,
size
true.
because those are Spanish.
Okay.
These are Italian.
Acha, okay,
Look at
this
the
is the
sheer size, so
difference,
it will have
right?
that big bite to it.
If you look at it, there is nothing added
Wow.
colors or added flavors
Wow,
and
this
nothing
looks so
artificial.
tempting
Yeah.
that having it freshly made is something freshly made and served is something a truly blessing because हम जो ice creams खाते हैं उनकी shelf life साल तक होती है. Fish sausage, that's something new here.
Yes, this is new globally, I assume, because
Okay.
we are the first one that manufacture this product here in Malaysia.
Okay.
And we have two flavors.
Then they have these noodles, instant hakka
That's
noodles.
the instant hakka noodle with the
This
tastemaker.
one.
You can check out the tastemaker that's inside. You
Okay.
can just turn around the patch. You can see the sachet inside.
Okay, so this is the tastemaker जो आपको instant hakka noodles का taste देंगे.
Raspberries,
Raspberries,
blueberries,
right?
then we have strawberries,
Okay, so these are
blackberries.
strawberries, blackberries. वाह! यहाँ पे ice creams display पे रखी हुई है सारे gelatos, freshly made gelatos और इनके ingredients भी export करते हैं और आप इनके पास अपने orders place कर सकते हैं. If you're from the food industry, this exhibition is a must for you. Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. आज हम आए आहार 2025 में जो लगा हुआ है प्रगति मैदान में from March 4 till March 8 आज से स्टार्ट है और हम इस वीडियो में कवर करेंगे हॉल नंबर 1 जहाँ पे सारे फॉरेन पार्टिसिपेंट्स होंगे. सो लोग बाहर से ला के बहुत कुछ यहाँ पे बेचते हैं फॉरेन प्रोडक्ट्स या फॉरेन प्रोडक्ट्स को यूज़ करके यहाँ पे प्रोसेस करके उसका फाइनल प्रोडक्ट बना के बेचते हैं या फिर इक्विपमेंट भी होता है जो फॉरेन से ला के यहाँ पे सेल किया जाता है. अंदर चलते हैं, लोगों से इंटरेक्ट करते हैं और आपको भी दिखाते हैं कौन कौन है. और अगर आप इस इंडस्ट्री से रिलेटेड हो या अपने फॉरेन ब्रांड्स को ऐड करना चाहते हो अपने एग्जिस्टिंग बिजनेस में, देन दिस वीडियो इज़ अ मस्ट वॉच फॉर यू. सो चलिए अंदर चलते हैं, स्टार्ट करते हैं वीडियो को. द टाइमिंग्स फॉर दिस एग्जीबिशन इज़ 10 AM to 6 PM. लेट्स गो. सो ये जो इंटरनेशनल पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैं ये हॉल नंबर 1 में है एंड हॉल नंबर 1 भरा हुआ है इतने सारे स्टॉल से, इतनी कंपनीज आई हुई हैं दैट एक्सपोर्ट द इंग्रेडिएंट्स और मशीनरी फ्रॉम आउटसाइड अब्रॉड से करते हैं इम्पोर्ट और यहाँ पे अपने फूड बना के करते हैं या फिर अगर वो रेडीमेड प्रोडक्ट्स लेके आते हैं तो यहाँ पे डोमेस्टिकली सप्लाई करते हैं, अवेलेबल कराते हैं हर जगह. तो अगर आप भी इस सेक्शन में आप ज़रूर आके इन सबसे बात कर सकते हो. हम भी आगे चलते हैं और लोगों से इंटरेक्ट करते हैं. सो अब हम खड़े हैं हाल्सियन पे एंड दैट्स हैदराबाद बेस्ड कंपनी और यहाँ पे बहुत सारी मशीन्स दिख रही हैं और काफ़ी कुछ आई कैन सी फूड ऑल्सो, लॉट थिंग्स टू बी सीन हियर. लेट्स नो मोर अबाउट हाल्सियन फ्रॉम मिस्टर प्रवीण.
हाल्सियन हैदराबाद से कंपनी है. हम
Okay.
10 साल का पुराना कंपनी है.
अच्छा.
और हमारा स्पेशलाइजेशन कॉफ़ी, जेलाटो, चॉकलेट और बेकरी पे है.
अच्छा, ओके, ये सारी तभी मशीन्स ये डिफरेंट. ओके, और नाइस. ऑलराइट, सो कितनी पुरानी है ये कंपनी?
10 years old.
10 years. So that's quite new, right? Okay. And आप सिर्फ machines deal करते हो या you are into making the
No,
product?
we are into the machinery. We are into the related ingredients for the category, and
Acha.
we are also into consulting.
And into
Consulting,
Okay, so you don't send the ready-made product, sell the ready-made
No,
product.
we don't sell the finished product.
Finished.
But so, for example, as an entrepreneur, anyone who want to start a category, it may be a coffee shop, patisserie, chocolatier, or bakery,
Right.
or even gelateria.
Right.
So then we will guide you with the required checklist of the equipment. We'll guide
Right.
you through the project.
Right.
And we'll train you. We'll sit with you to work on the menu, what kind of menu you need, recipes and training.
Oh, so you
And we
give
also
the
share our
complete-
experience with them so that they don't do the same mistake
Right,
of the
right,
previous
right.
clients. So that, yeah.
Oh, that's really nice. So can we see the machines, please?
Yes, so we'll start with the bakery because
Right.
that's quite unique and different.
Okay.
Okay, so we have all the French
The
delicacies,
products
French
here.
bakes, yeah.
Right.
So you have a sourdough breads,
Right.
so all French delicacies, sourdoughs
Wow.
and baguettes,
Croissants and
croissants,
bagels.
yeah,
Right.
focaccia.
Okay.
Yeah. So the specialty of this breads is Bongard.
Okay. Hmm.
Bongard is a French company. So that's an exclusive into baking solutions.
Okay.
So it's not about a right ingredient and a good chef, but also a good equipment
right.
is a good partnership to get to the best product outside.
Right. Okay.
And along with that, so this is the smallest bakery setup you can have.
Acha, this
maybe
one.
maybe you can start a coffee shop, or you can have a chain of bakery outlet with this setup.
With this setup. Okay,
Exact
all
setup.
right.
Then we have some chocolates.
Okay.
These are exclusive Swiss, and these are specialty chocolates. It's not a commercial blend or without a specific origin. This is a specific origin based chocolate.
Okay.
And pure couverture based.
Acha,
So
so
we
you
have
are-
chocolates of different cacao percentage,
Okay.
sweeter to darker, and we have some chocolate fillings
All
like the
right.
bun buns and
Okay.
pralines.
Right, right. Which
Yeah.
are used for the as fillings.
Yes, fillings. Yes.
All right. So these are the products that are made
Yes.
here.
No, this is just a few display.
Right.
But by tomorrow, because today we just started with the first day, we couldn't fill with most of the
Okay.
dessert. But tomorrow we'll.
Great.
And we, as you see the chocolate products,
Yeah.
this is a chocolate machinery. So this is the smallest lab you require to be a chocolatier.
Okay.
Okay, so this is chocolate tampering machine. For example, if you have this machine, it's as good as you have a chocolate factory. You can make bar, bun buns, pralines,
Acha.
even Dubai chocolate you can make.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. And you give the raw material also.
Yeah, we give the raw material, we give the training. We even if you want the recipes, we can guide you.
Okay, that's great. So good to have your own business. To start your own business, you can invest in this machine and get going.
Lot of now we used to hear about home bakers, but now there are lot of home chocolatiers.
Home chocolate hairs, right?
so that
And
is-
yes, many people have started their own chocolate
Yes,
business.
yes, and
True.
this generation, this era of F&B is lot of cloud kitchens, dark kitchens.
Right, right.
Yes.
Oh my God. Okay,
So to
I
go-
didn't know that
Side
it was
there.
so easy.
So going forward, you have one more very interesting subject. It's called gelato.
Oh, right.
Gelato is nothing but a
Ice creams?
Italian ice cream, exactly.
Right,
but
right.
if it is made on the Italian standard, like freshly made and freshly served,
Okay.
where it won't be stored for weeks and months.
Acha.
The life is
So
only
the
for days.
Indians are not gelatos. Indian ice cream.
Natural, anything that's made using natural, with no preservative, freshly made and freshly sold, is can be a gelato. So
Okay.
Indian or Italian, but Italian doesn't do something which have a longer shelf life. You know, they
Acha.
don't do for months. Like if you look at an industrial ice cream, because of logistics issue or because of the market range, they need a higher shelf life.
Right.
But whereas this is like made in house. You know,
Right.
you make it in your same city and you make it in your own parlor,
Right,
and
right,
then you
right.
display it, and it's freshly made and freshly sold.
Freshly sold.
So if you look at it, there is nothing added colors or added flavors.
Wow,
And
this
nothing
looks so
artificial.
tempting
Yeah.
that having it freshly made is something freshly made and served is something a truly blessing, because हम जो ice creams खाते हैं उनकी shelf life साल तक होती है.
You want to try something?
No,
For
I
example,
think-
look at the blueberry. Look at the color.
The
That's a
color,
natural
that
color.
is what I'm saying. It looks so natural and so
This is almond.
tempting.
This
Wow.
is almond, and that is vanilla.
Okay, so these are all made using natural ingredients.
Yes, and these are made right in the counter here.
Acha.
In the live.
All
So
right.
just that is the first day. I told you we didn't have
Right,
much time to
right,
finish
right.
the display, but tomorrow it will be all up and running. So this is again good for your cloud. It's
Right.
always good for existing F&B business
Right.
with minimalistic investment.
Very true. Very
Yeah.
true. Okay, and
Then we go forward for the most exciting and trend of the year, the coffee, especially
Coffee.
specialty coffee, and that's we are doing a very refined, robust and heavy duty specialty coffee machines
Okay.
from Italy again.
from Italy, Milan.
Okay, so we have collaboration with Roast for the coffee.
Okay.
As we supported them for their project, and they are here to support us with the coffee here.
Okay,
So
the beans.
the coffee beans are from the Roast,
Okay.
and the equipment are from us from Bizera.
All right.
Yeah.
Great. So this is for if I wish to open a cafe, I can just get these
That's it.
machines.
This is a grab and go counter. This is the space you need for a grab and go counter. That's
Wow.
it. You get it in a mall, you get it in an airport, you get it in
Right,
a
right.
maybe a shop in shop,
Very
or maybe
good.
any corner of high end street
right.
or anywhere.
Okay. So you are into exporting these or for the
These all are imported. These all
okay,
are
these
imported.
all are imported, and then you just
Yes,
supply here.
we distribute across India.
Right. And is there any MOQ or anyone can
Nothing.
just
See,
take
this is
one?
a tailor. Like everyone has their unique requirements. Everyone has their specific a budget and specific capacity of production they require,
Right.
and specific concepts, you know,
Right.
because now this generation is a global generation, you know. If something is famous in America or Australia or Dubai, instantly next day it's available in India.
Right.
It doesn't take long
Very
to do.
true.
So with catching up with global trends and catching up with the latest technology and catching up with the latest lifestyle, we can have our own specified concept. According to that, we suggest you
Okay, then
the
you will
machinery,
suggest.
the budget, and
Right.
the prototype.
Oh, that's really nice. So if you guys have plans to open your own cafe or chocolatier बनना है या फिर अपना और bakery खोलना है तो आप इनसे ज़रूर connect करो to get these machines, and they are wonderful. They are going to, you know, you can just set it up at a small place and make your products and then sell them instantly. People just need to connect with you at this number,
Yes,
and then
yes.
great. So you can connect with Mr. Praveen at 9550727374 और बाकी details इस पे mentioned है. So do connect with them for such equipment. So हम खड़े हैं Fusi Pimpe, and this brand is from
Malaysia.
Malaysia. And let us know more about them from Mr.
Yeah, I'm Douglas. I'm the business development manager for Fusipin.
Okay.
And we are here first time in India.
Alright.
And we are excited to share our products here today.
Okay.
And especially our fish sausage.
Fish sausage. That's something new here.
Yes, this is new globally, I assume, because
Okay.
we are the first one that manufacture this product here in Malaysia.
Okay.
And we have two flavors, the original and the
Okay.
cheese.
All right.
Yeah, so our company mainly do frozen surimi products.
Alright.
So it's all frozen fish and seafood based products. So you have fish balls, you have crab balls, you have
Okay, so
fish balls and everything.
these are the fish balls that you have.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Other than that, we have also value-added products which you can serve together with the balls, which
Okay.
is our sauces. You have see
Okay.
the spicy nacho cheese here,
All
and
right.
we also have the normal nacho cheese sauce.
Uh-huh.
So besides that, we also have a local flavor, which is our sambal is here. This is the sambal.
Okay, so you have these are the okay the ketchup, the sachets.
This is actually something similar like a chili sauce.
Okay, all
Yeah,
right,
So this is new profile flavor.
Uh-huh.
I think it's also suitable here in the Indian market.
all right, nice. And how has the review been here that about your product?
First day was amazing.
Uh-huh.
We had a lot of positive feedbacks for the sambal here,
Right.
and also the fish sausage.
Okay.
Because it's new, a lot
Right,
of people
true,
like the
true.
flavor and everything.
Okay.
It's just that maybe we can incorporate some local taste buds flavor. Maybe tandoori, I would assume. It would
Alright.
be better in the future.
Okay,
We will
all
be
right.
taking that into consideration.
Very nice. So what fish do you use here?
It's more towards the thread fin bream.
Which one?
Thread fin bream. It's something like a cod, I assume. I'm not
Okay,
sure,
okay. Here in India.
Yeah. No, it's from Vietnam and also from Malaysia.
All right.
yeah.
That's really nice. So this is something different. Fish sausage हमने कभी नहीं सुना. And then they have some other things also like chicken fritter flowers. So this is for marinating. the
Yes,
flour.
this is for marination and you
Right.
can just fry it afterwards.
Right, right.
Yes.
And they have different fruit crispy flowers. Oh, that's something new.
Yeah.
Fruit crispy flour.
This is for seafood.
Tempura batter mix. Wow. So they really have something new and different, and it's just that Indian taste buds को जो अच्छा लगेगा वो it'll matter. And what is this? These are
it's
the
actually the
sausages.
fish sausage. It's just a different packaging.
Acha, a packaging.
Yeah, this
okay.
is 1 kilo packaging.
So you are here for a B2B.
Yes,
so-
we are
right?
here for the B2B business.
So you'll be supplying to hotels and other food chains.
We are planning to establish a distribution ship here. So
Okay.
we are looking for importers, distributors. So we will step foot with B2B business through them.
Okay, okay. Right. And have you set any minimum order quantity here?
Yeah, we do. So for frozen, it's definitely a minimum of 20 feet containers, but the items you can assort it together accordingly because we have a huge variety of range.
Right,
Yes.
right. Okay. So and what is the price of the products?
The price I would say would be slightly towards medium to high end.
Okay.
Approximately one pack is usually around $1 or $1.50 depending on products. Yeah.
Okay.
So the most expensive I assume would be around maybe $3.
All right. So this packaging would be $3.
No, maybe this cheese is only around estimation of 95 cents. Of
All
dollars.
right.
Yes.
Okay. So they have a good variety of products, and you can connect with them for your fish sausages. That's the new thing they have come up with. और भी इनकी काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें हैं जो buy them, do connect with them for this new thing. If you need to plan, opening, if you need to plan introducing such things in your existing restaurants, connect with them. So I'll share the detail. इनकी चीज़ें भी काफ़ी different हैं. They've kept the sauces here. And this is Mr. Douglas, and his number is written here. And the other details are also here. So connect with them for the Malaysian food. So we are here at Moi Soy, and that's a Mumbai-based company, and they are into India's first instant Hakka noodles. This is a new concept. So hi, Mr.
It's not too new, just the concept is new.
Okay.
I mean, we have all been born and brought up having a street style chow mein from Calcutta.
But
this is our
instant Hakka क्या हुआ?
ये basically आपको we have a taste maker inside, which basically gives you the same representation of a street style Hakka noodle
अच्छा.
at your house in less than 5-10 minutes.
Okay.
So more hygienic and the same taste and flavor of
अच्छा.
your street style chow mein.
Wow, great. So यही है आपके पास instant Hakka noodle is what
No,
you
we have a range of other products. We've got some imported products like gochujang, Vietnamese rice rolls.
अच्छा.
We've got Thai curry, which is green and red Thai curry. This is first of its kind in India,
Okay.
fully ready with coconut milk.
अच्छा.
You don't need to add coconut milk separately. So
Okay.
you stir fry your veggies and protein, empty the packet, and you're ready to serve with rice.
Wow, this is something really new. And what is
So
this?
this is udon
Udon
shirataki
noodle.
noodles. These are basically konjac noodles. They are 6 kcal only. So someone who's healthy, this is a
Okay.
bang on product for them to go and buy.
Wow.
We have a range of exciting chili oils like Korean chili oil, Sichuan chili oil,
Acha.
hot garlic sauce.
To make your food.
Yeah, these are like a great condiment or stir fry sauces that you can add to your daily food intake.
Wow. And ये कभी देखे नहीं ये कहाँ पे मिलते हैं
We
available?
are available in all the platforms like Instamart, Blinkit, Zepto
Okay.
to get your quick delivery. On Amazon, Blinkit, Big Basket.
अच्छा.
We
That's
are also
really
there in
nice.
Reliance, a few stores, and Nature's Basket and Spencer's.
Okay. What's the ponzu sauce?
This is a B2B product. We
Okay.
specifically retail it to institutional
Hotels.
clients only.
Okay. And
Gochujang is a fermented Korean chili paste,
okay.
which is like a very highly used product in Korea, which is
Okay.
like something they use to make bimbap or any other tteokbokki or any other products such as that.
Wow. Great. So यहाँ पे कितना ट्रेंड है इन चीज़ों का brown rice पे?
It's a growing trend for sure. We are luckily getting the benefit of it, but
Okay.
I mean, there's still a big gap in terms of the knowledge now.
Huh.
Luckily, we've been able to bridge the gap.
Bridge
over
the
that.
gap here. Very nice. And the things are also very different. Your products are very
We
nice. and
believe that if you want anything pan-Asian, we suggest you your one-stop shop for Asian
Okay.
flavors.
Nice. And then they have these noodles, instant Hakka
That's
noodles.
the instant Hakka noodle with the
This
taste maker.
one.
You can check out the taste maker that's inside.
Okay.
You can just turn around the patch. You can see the sachet inside.
Okay, so this is the taste maker जो आपको instant Hakka noodles का taste देंगे. And this is just to be cooked like Maggi.
Yes, exactly.
Acha.
Just boil your noodles, stir
And
fry your
add this.
veggies if you want some,
Okay.
and just add the sauce and you're ready to go.
Wow. And these
Those
are
are Indo-Chinese sauces like green chili, red chili, soy
Acha.
vinegar.
Alright.
The desi style Indian.
right.
We've got some really good quality air-dried noodles.
Okay.
This is soba, udon, whole wheat, and others.
Wow.
They are possibly the best quality. There's no extra ingredients. Typically, when you go to a market, we usually suggest customers to go and check out the ingredients.
Okay.
Here, you don't have anything more than 2 or 3 ingredients, so that shows you the
Wow.
quality of product.
That's very nice. That's only refined wheat flour, water, and salt.
We have
So-
whole wheat also. This is maida based, but udon flat noodles turn out really tasty.
Okay.
Like the coating of the sauce comes out well.
Right. So, do you have any minimum MOQ that's there for B2B transactions?
B2B specifically, it depends on case sizes. So depending on what product they want, it's ordered by case, not by pieces.
Okay, all right. So the cases are there. So if you have some beautiful idea in mind to open a Korean restaurant or something, you can definitely connect with them.
We definitely do B2B a lot. We supply to a lot of hotels, 5 stars,
Right.
QSRs, caterers, so on and so forth.
Great. So do connect with them, and can I have your card so that I can share the
Sure.
details? So Korean food अगर खोलना है या instant Hakka खाना है, so Mr. Varun is the one whom you should connect with, and his number is 9819522789 और बाकी details भी card में given है. Do connect with him for the Korean range, the wonderful Korean range. So हम खड़े हैं Delish Pe, and that's a Noida-based company, and they import all the premium and good berries from outside and deliver across India, pan India. So let's know more about Delish from Mr.
Sandeep Bhartia.
Mr. Sandeep, tell us what Delish is into.
Hi. We are importers of frozen berries from all over the world.
Okay.
Mainly from Serbia, from Chile, from USA, Canada,
Okay.
and all these European countries.
Uh-huh.
We have our own quality checking up standards, which
Acha.
we have planted for the benefit of our company.
Right.
We are distributing pan India basis,
Wow.
and our main customers are Blinkit, Zepto,
Acha.
plus other 5-star hotels and restaurants across India.
So they use your frozen berries
Yeah.
to make their slushes
They-
and beverages.
Beverages and cakes and pastries.
Acha,
etc.
right, cakes and pastries. So can you just show around your
Yeah,
yummy Delish food?
Yes.
Okay.
This is
So
our-
these are the.
These
Acha, what is
these
this?
are snacks.
Acha, so you are into
One
snacks
sec,
also.
One sec. These are our berries.
Okay. These are the berries,
Yeah.
and these are snacks.
Yeah.
Okay.
And these are entirely.
So you are into B2B or B2C also?
Also both. Both.
Okay, on both. And your products can be found online.
Yeah, and online also.
Online, all right. So you can get their products. आप online खरीद सकते हो different online platforms पे इनके और B2B customers इनसे connect कर सकते हैं for their bulk purchases. तो यहाँ पे blueberries दिख रही हैं. There's some. What is this?
Raspberries,
Raspberries,
blueberries.
right?
Then we have strawberries.
Okay, so these are
Blackberries.
strawberries, blackberries. वाह. So blackberries भी
Blackberries
हैं.
are here.
Yeah.
Sour cherry.
Okay, sour cherries. वाह,
Then
जो हम cakes पे देखते हैं इतना कुछ देखते हैं,
We have
right?
cranberries.
Okay.
Black currant.
So cranberries, blackcurrant, and mulberries. Okay.
After
and
that-
then you have snacks
Then
range.
we have avocados also and edamame also.
Okay. So edamames भी इनके पास काफी premium इन्होंने रखा हुआ है food. And then they're into the snack segment also, snacking
Yeah.
segment. And what is snacking में क्या क्या है आपका?
Snacking में कौन चीज triangles है.
Okay.
Then we have hara bhara kebab.
अच्छा.
We
So
have-
this is ready to fry.
Ready to fry. Plus
Okay.
we got a whole range of dim sum. That is,
Acha.
we got maida dim sum and also rice sheeted.
Oh,
So
very
both are our
nice.
products.
Okay. So ये सब भी online भी मिलेगा.
Online भी मिलेगा.
तो आपका जो B2B transactions होते हैं उसमें कुछ MOQ आपने रखा हुआ है?
हाँ, about 30 kgs minimum is
अच्छा.
allowed.
Okay, okay. And what all is here that people are having?
These are all berries they are trying, you know.
Acha, okay. So wow, just look at the berries here. They have they've showcased all the berries and they are corn, sweet corn, edamame
They-
kernels,
Yeah, edamame, avocado.
avocado, and then edamame pods भी हैं, cranberry, sour cherry, red currant, mulberry, blackberry. आप सब कुछ यहाँ पे आके taste भी कर सकते हैं. And then you can place your orders here. You can check them out. और इनका B2C तो है ही online, आप वहाँ से भी ले सकते हो. So for B2B transactions, I'll just share the details. Right. Thank you so much. So this is Mr. Sandeep Bhartia. And his number is 8447704879 और बाकी details भी card पे given है. So connect with them for your frozen, fresh fruit, frozen bulk orders. So we are here at Damathi Foods and that's a Mumbai-based company और मुझे यहाँ पे बहुत delicious ice creams दिख रही हैं, gelatos दिख रही हैं and a lot more other products also. Let's know more about them.
Hi, how are
Hi,
you?
good. How are you doing? Okay, so what is Damathi Foods all about?
So we're essentially importers and we're bringing in a lot of fun products from across the world.
Okay.
Trying to ensure that we bring in a very top quality ingredient at a very good price.
Okay.
But besides that, the fun point about us is that we're all chefs.
All
We've
right.
been in the industry from the last 14, 15 years.
Okay.
I think overall 100 years of experience in culinary over here.
Wow.
And we try to get inside the kitchen. We try to explain how to do it, teach the chefs a little bit more, introduce
Okay.
some novelties,
Acha.
and that's what we've been doing. So it's the second year for us, honestly
Okay.
speaking. And yeah, there's too much to do, too much to kind of work around, many people to meet.
So you're completely into ice creams from abroad. What's gelato all
Necessarily.
about?
So one of the brands which we work with is Pregel. So Pregel across the world distributes in 90 countries. It's one of the largest makers of gelato ingredients.
Okay.
So Pregel literally means pre-gelato.
Okay.
So anything what you need prior to make a
Making
gelato
the
or
gelato.
an ice creams is something what we work with.
Okay.
And of course with our key customers we kind of get in, we do a lot of R&D, innovation and help them to create a unique proposition for their customers.
All right. So you're completely a B2B company?
It's completely a B2B company.
Right,
yes.
because we have not seen the products anywhere
Yes.
outside. Right. And apart from gelato, what all are you into?
So we're into savory products. So we represent around 16 brands
Okay.
all across, etc. From savory to everything to do in the pastry world. We've got
Okay.
really nice single origin Belgian chocolates as well,
Okay.
which is a competition or something to what everyone has been using,
Right.
etc. And yeah, I mean, you can have a look. We've got a really nice display with all our ingredients as
So
well.
these are the
etc.
ingredients that you import, get them
Yes.
imported. Okay. And then you don't resell them here?
We do.
You do. You
Of course.
resell them here and make dishes out of them also.
Yeah, so we do Horeca. So Horeca is hotels, restaurants, and
Right,
cafes. So we
right.
supply to them,
Okay.
to your favorite restaurants, as well as supplying to retail chains. So
Okay.
for example, Nature's Basket, Food Stories, and maybe bigger spaces. So
Right,
we sell
right.
them as well. Plus we've got our own website called damadifoods.com. You can
Okay.
always visit us and kind of place your orders there.
All right. So that a B2C person can also, a
Absolutely,
customer can also
absolutely.
go and visit the website and place the order.
Yes.
Okay, so that's nice. But you have the finished product that you go into is completely gelato.
Not really. I mean, until unless I show people what the ingredient is all about, I don't think so anyone will buy.
Okay.
So
that
this
way.
is one of, we don't finish this as
Okay,
well.
okay.
We sell ingredients
Just the ingredients
to
is
make
just
the
to
gelato. This is the presentation what we've done
right,
today.
right. Okay, so you are not into finished products anyway.
Not at all.
All right, so that's completely imported products. And if you wish to get those completely, these products, imported products for your Horeca business or your institution business, do connect with them and I'll share the details. So this is Mr. Abhas Mehrotra and he's the executive chef here. His number is 80972407777 and you can connect with them for all these products. So let me just give you a walkthrough of these products here. So these are the products that they import from abroad. These are the salsas और यहाँ पे इधर Thai ginger भी है and then these are some sauces. तो आप एक glance दे सकते हो. Then this is salsa again and they have these drinks. और क्या क्या है इधर? Okay, chipotle peppers in adobo sauces. काफ़ी कुछ different है sriracha sauce. और भी यहाँ पे कुछ है, काफ़ी कुछ है. So he spoke about the website. आप वो website ज़रूर visit करो to place your orders ताकि आपको पता चल जाए क्या क्या चीज़ें यहाँ पे हैं and you can place your orders there. So this is gourmet Sparta and salsa verde थी. This is petty pasta extra fine. काफ़ी कुछ है. और ये इन्होंने यहाँ पे आइसक्रीम्स डिस्प्ले पे रखी हुई है सारे जिलेटोस फ्रेशली मेड जिलेटोस और इनके इंग्रेडिएंट्स भी ये एक्सपोर्ट करते हैं और आप इनके पास अपने ऑर्डर्स प्लेस कर सकते हैं एट द गिवन नंबर और द वेबसाइट दैट ही जस्ट स्पोक अबाउट. So now we are here at Delhi based company and that's Korean street if you see here and Korean food आजकल बहुत बड़ा trend हो गया है and everything Korean is going around with the soaps, the series and everything that's Korean. The food is also Korean, that's trending these days. So let us know more about this company from Mr. Ame. Hello.
Hi Jasleen, thank you so much. So I'm an importer. My
Okay.
company name is Rodaji Company, Global
Acha.
Gourmet Foods.
Okay.
What our work is that we get all the sought after brands
Okay.
all over the globe in India exclusively.
Okay.
So every year we introduce some new concept in the Indian market.
Okay.
Earlier we introduced waffles in the Indian market, which went way back in 2015.
Right.
Then we introduced Neapolitan pizzas, the wood-fired pizzas, which everyone has been having.
Right.
When I say introduce, I mean to say with authenticity, Italian flour, Italian Marzano tomatoes. And everything.
Right. Right.
This year we are launching Korean street.
Okay.
So K-food, as you already know, with the K-drama, with the K-pop,
right.
Korean food is becoming the essence for every Gen Z or a millennial.
Right.
So this year we get this. What makes Korean street a different brand as compared to other ones which are available in the market? We have an option of all vegetarian, no
Acha.
fish sauce also.
Okay.
Plus the Korean ramen, जो udon noodles होते हैं, those are
Right.
made out of buckwheat,
Okay. Right.
not maida. So वो healthy
Healthier
आपके लिए
option.
ज़्यादा है.
Right.
Tapioki is made out of rice.
Okay.
So it is बहुत ही देसी भाषा में किसी ने समझाना पड़े तो it is idli with Korean sauces. So
that was
that
nice.
is just one thing to go about.
Okay.
We have been doing a lot of tastings over here. We open the pack. I'll open one of the packs and I'll show you.
Okay.
So this would go in the retail.
All right.
It has no preservatives, no MSG at all.
Okay.
This is already boiled.
Right.
You just put water in it, mix the seasoning, and you are sorted.
Oh, that's good.
You'll have
No,
to let it be for 7 minutes, and it is good enough.
All
फिर आप
right.
इसको करो, shake, and you are ready to go.
That is nice. So these products, I mean, how can the consumers get?
So
hand on
consumers
them?
will get it at the retail stores,
Okay.
at your e-commerce, whether it is Amazon, whether it is Big Basket, whether it is outlets like Reliance Signature, Reliance Fresh Pick, you'll get it over there.
Okay. So you supply all over.
We supply all over. Plus, our major clientele is also into hotels and restaurants.
Right.
So the top of the line restaurants, जैसा आप उधर देख रहे हो, Suzy Pizzeria, she
Right.
uses our brand Caputo.
Okay.
वो शेफ नरेंद्र है जो खुबानी से हैं,
हाँ.
so they also use Caputo.
They also use. Okay.
उन्हें AV बंद कर दिया, otherwise मैं आपको so even a lot of your first fiddle outlets, which is Priyank Sukija's group, Miso Sexy, Diablo, they all use ours. आपने mushrooms देखे होंगे, आपने बड़े-बड़े olives देखे होंगे.
ये आपने सारे होरेका सेगमेंट के लिए रखे हैं?
करेक्ट, ये विंग सॉसेस हो गई जो आप चिकन विंग्स एंड हॉट
Right.
सॉस खाते हैं.
Right.
अब मैं आपको एक फर्क बता दूं जो काफी लोगों को नहीं पता होता.
Okay.
आप जो नॉर्मली ऑलिव्स लेते हैं मार्केट में, those are very small
Very
in
small.
size.
True.
Because those are Spanish.
Okay.
These are Italian.
अच्छा. Okay.
Look at
This is the
sheer size.
difference.
So it will have
Right.
that big bite to it.
Okay.
Then of course we do
Very nice.
Mexican, we do artichokes, truffle paste, of course, सब
All
लेते हैं.
right.
Mushrooms.
A good
Waffles.
variety. Wow. A waffle
So
mixes.
these waffles and pancakes are made out of malted barley.
Okay.
So even a diabetic can have.
अच्छा.
All natural, no GMO. और
Wow.
of course अगर कोई diabetic ले रहा है तो उसमें न्यूटेला वगैरह ना डालें because वो गलत हो जाएगा. So we supply
Alright.
these also. This is Dulce Leche, the actual milk caramel sauce from Argentina.
अच्छा. Okay. So you supply these also.
Yes. And
Great.
this is in the bulk packing of course.
Right. Right.
आप rulewaffles.com की वेबसाइट पे भी जाके चेक कर सकते हैं. This is your flour.
Right. This is
So
the
this of
flour.
course comes in 25 kg jar.
Right.
Sorry, 25 kg bag.
Pack, right.
And all different. So जैसे अगर आपको एकदम पतला पिज्जा चाहिए, Neapolitana
All
चाहिए,
right.
airy crust चाहिए, we have everything.
Great. Great.
We also are lucky enough to have Chef Kushal with us over there.
Okay. So.
He has this wonderful
hello.
restaurant by the name of Basil Box, and in Mahakum he has this restaurant by the name of Sangam Italiano.
Wow.
जहाँ पे
Even
महाकुंभ
in-
में इन्होंने सबको
Pizza खिलाया.
Neapolitan pizzas खिलाया, thin crust में
How
mushrooms
sweet.
वगैरह सब डाल.
That's very nice. Okay, so जब B2B transactions की बात आती है, is there any MOQ that you've set?
So जब कोई रेस्टोरेंट स्टार्ट कर रहा होता है एज आर DNA वी ऑलवेज सपोर्ट पीपल.
Okay.
सो हम बस कहते हैं कि यार आप अब जैसे बल्क पैक ही 25 किलो का है.
Right.
अब इसमें से कोई मुझसे 5 किलो मांगे
वो
तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है.
Right.
तो मैं उनको खुद ही कहता हूँ, वो कहते हैं सर खोल के भेज दो. मैंने कहा विश्वास कैसे करोगे कि वही चीज़
Right.
भेज रहा हूँ.
Right.
सो वो हम मिनिमम ऑर्डर क्वांटिटी उनके साथ मीट करते
नहीं,
हैं.
okay.
बट वी ऑलवेज सप्लाई देम कि आप एक ही बैग लेना, आप एक ही लो, ट्राई करो, इफ इट वर्क्स देन डू इट.
Okay.
A lot of restaurants and hotels now, because सबको costing पे रहता है and they are
Right.
on imported products.
Right.
So we provide them leasing space as well.
अच्छा.
So हम उनको क्या बोलते हैं, हम कहते हैं कि यार आप खुद बड़ा warehouse मत लो. You just help us, let us know your quantities, pay us, we will store it for you.
अच्छा.
You will always get the freshest of the produce.
Oh.
So that's how so many restaurants and everyone is coming up.
Coming. Right.
I'll
right.
show you the waffle machines also where
Right. So these are also made by you or imported by you?
everything is imported.
अच्छा,
Everything
this
is
also
imported.
imported. So उनके पास waffle machines भी हैं which are imported. And
So
these
अभी
are the
machines
ones.
of course they are switched off.
Right.
बट ये मशीन्स आपकी USA से हैं.
अच्छा.
इन मशीन में और चाइनीज़ मशीन में जो मेजर फ़र्क है वो ये है कि आपकी एक्चुअली कमर्शियल, अगर आप इसको उठा के देखो इट्स हैवी 7
Okay.
kgs.
Okay.
ये आपके पहले 24/7 जो हमारे स्टोर्स थे हर जगह थी. दे रन 24 आवर्स अ डे 365 डेज
Right. Right.
एंड नो प्रॉब्लम.
अच्छा.
सो इसके अंदर अभी बिकॉज इट्स स्विच्ड ऑफ, बट आपको मक्खन लगाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. आप जस्ट सीधा करो
Batter डाल के बंद
and
कर
just
दो.
rotate.
Okay.
Within 3 minutes 30 seconds your waffle is ready.
Wow.
So you
that's
can have
nice.
all different shapes.
Okay.
Whether it is the bubble one, you can have
Right.
this
Right.
also,
Right. Oh, that's
or the
really
other
nice.
one. बच्चे वो उठा लें.
Wow.
All the shapes.
So in problem हो जाए इन machines में तो you provide the
We have a
service?
team.
You
So
have a
generally
team.
आपकी maximum problem आती है कि Teflon coating निकल जाती है after an air on.
Right.
So,
Okay.
so we change it. We do it.
All right. So services be, equipment be, products be, they have really everything from from basic flour to all the products, hot products. You can get everything here. और आपने यहाँ पे स्टॉल किस लिए लगाया? For the brand awareness?
So there's, see, we put stall at Ahar every year.
Okay.
So last year we were feeding people. We had called Italian chefs. हम pizzas बना रहे थे live on the counter. Everyone was having pizza. This year it is Korean. Earlier to pizzas also we were doing only waffles. So we keep changing. So एक new product launch होता है. Plus आप अपने पुराने customers से मिल लेते हैं.
Right.
एक hub बन जाता है. Otherwise no one commutes. यहाँ पे वो
Right.
सबसे मिल लेते आते. So it's a better recall.
Oh, right. So that's really nice. And आप भी इनसे products ले सकते हो. You can connect for your B2B transactions. And his name is Mr. Ame, and his number is 966 7300635 363738. So you can connect with any of the numbers, or the address and other details are also mentioned here. Do connect with them for these machines, the raw materials, the ready-made products, the waffles, everything. So guys, this was Ahar 2025 जो लगा हुआ है प्रगति मैदान में, और इस वीडियो में हमने हॉल नंबर 1 कवर किया, which has all foreign participants. काफ़ी कुछ बाहर से लाते हैं, इंपोर्ट करते हैं, यहाँ पे बना के सप्लाई करते हैं, इक्विपमेंट सप्लाई करते हैं, रॉ मटेरियल्स, द फिनिश प्रोडक्ट, सब कुछ फॉरेन का यहाँ पे आपको मिलेगा. सो इन केस यू आर इन दिस इंडस्ट्री और बाहर की चीज़ें आप करते हो, जैसे इटालियन पिज़्ज़ा आपको जेन्युइन आपको इटालियन पिज़्ज़ा सप्लाई करना है, देना है, फ्लावर चाहिए, तो आप यहाँ पे आके इनके साथ कनेक्ट कर सकते हो टू गेट दीज थिंग्स. एंड सिमिलरली और नट्स भी और सॉसेस भी काफ़ी कुछ आपको यहाँ पे मिल जाएगा. कम एंड कनेक्ट विद देम, एंड दिस फेस्टिवल विल गो ऑन टिल 8th of March. आप आके काफ़ी सारे लोगों से इंटरेक्ट करो, नहीं तो हमने सबके नंबर शेयर करें, आप उनसे डायरेक्टली कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हो. Hope you've liked the video. Share this video with your friends and family. Subscribe to our channel Jodi on Camera, and we'll see you very soon with more content. Take care. Bye bye.